Creepy alignment? Let's make it stunning. Watch this. Hey there, I'm Oleg. For the past 19 years I've been living and breathing Civil 3D, helping companies set it up and showing engineers how to get the most out of it. I have trained over 2,000 professionals and led more than 300 implementations. Here on my channel, I share the tips and workflows that save time, boost productivity, and normally cost a fortune to learn absolutely free. Ready to take your Civil 3D skills to a professional level? Let's dive in. Let us start with layer preparations. It is very important for every object in your drawing to belong to a layer. Go to Layer Properties and create two new layers. Let's call first one Alignment Axis and Alignment Labels. Right-click your alignment and go to Edit Alignment Labels command. At first we are going to remove all our labels. We will come back to them later. And we are going to adjust our alignment itself at first. Right-click your alignment and go to Edit Alignment Style command. Then move to Display tab. Pick all your components and put them into Alignment Axis layer. Now we are going to use a few components. It will be line, curve, spiral. I prefer not to make arrows visible because we will have our stations that will tell where our alignment goes to. And keep tangent extensions as well. It is very useful. I prefer to make a little bit color difference. So let's say line would be red. Curve I like to be blue. And as for spiral, I prefer green color. Let's make all our these components to have line weight by layer. And as for tangent extensions, I prefer it to stay thin all the time. So I will keep 0.09 line weight. And as for line type, I prefer continuous. Turn on your line weight. Just in case if you do not have this button, go to customization in the right corner of your screen and here you can see line weight. Turn it on and go to layer properties. We are going to make our alignment a little bit more thick. Let's put the line weight, let's say 40. Now I see that my alignment is more thick and tangents are still thin, which is very useful. The last thing we are going to adjust is our point of intersection. Here it is. Right-click your alignment and go to Edit Alignment Style again. Then we go to Markers tab. I'm going to remove everything and just use point of intersection marker. Let's make it standard. We can make a new one. Let's call it point of intersection. It is truly up to you. You can switch it off entirely, but I prefer to stay it visible. Don't forget to adjust layers all the time. And it can stay black or let's keep it black. Now we can very quickly play with visibility of our alignment just using our layer. As you can see, I can switch it off entirely just by using turn off layer button. I can go and make our alignment look more thin at any time, which is very useful. Now we are going to work on our alignment labels. And once again, let's make a few changes for our layer properties. I want my labels to be red, and I want them to belong to one layer, which is alignment labels. Right-click your alignment and go to Edit Alignment Labels. We are going to start with geometry points. Change type to geometry points and create new label style. We are going to call it geometry points. Go to General tab and adjust your layer, which is alignment labels. Then we go to Layout, and here we will make all our major changes. Our label consists of two components, which are line and the text itself. We will keep the line how it goes, perhaps we will come back to adjust it later. And as for text, I prefer text height 2.5. Then attachment would be middle left, rotation angle 180. Go to General and turn off Plan Readable. Now play a little bit with Y offset, just to make our text look above line, nice and pretty. Go to Contents value, pick Station value property, and adjust decimal character as you prefer. You can keep period, but I like comma. And then make sure you press this button here, otherwise your property won't get updated. Okay. Now we are going to add our new label. And here we will decide which points will be labeled in our alignment. Let's say beginning, and I do not prefer to use curve midpoint. Tangent curve intersect, yes. Curve tangent intersect, yes. Tangent spiral, yes. Spiral tangent intersect, yes. Curve spiral, spiral curve. And that's it. Let's take a look. We can see labels just where we wanted them to be. And they are all belong to one layer, so we can turn off them at one click. We can change their color, which is great. Let's talk about abbreviations. Sometimes it's not very understandable what is BP, what is TAs, SC, so let me show you how to work with these abbreviations. Go to Tool Space, go to Settings tab, right click your drawing and go Edit Drawing Settings. Go to Abbreviations tab. And we are going to make a few changes. For example, I will call my spiral tangent intersect, it would be CE, which is curve end. As for alignment end, I would use full words, road end. Okay, tangent curve intersect, it is our CEB, curve beginning. Alignment beginning could be road beginning. Curve spiral, it is our spiral end. Now it is our curve end as well. Tangent intersection is PI, which is fine. Spiral I do not use such geometry. Curve tangent, it is curve end as well. Spiral curve intersection, it is spiral curve intersect, it is curve beginning as well. I think I made a few mistakes. Spiral tangent, it is our spiral end. And tangent spiral, where it is? Oh, here it is. Tangent spiral, it is our spiral beginning. Okay, we can always come back and make a few changes again. And after you have worked with abbreviations, don't forget to regen your drawing. Now we can see all our adjustments. Spiral beginning, curve beginning, curve end, spiral end, road end, just the way I want it to be.